Ashley Elizondo. This is
Amanda Rodriguez.
And the person behind the camera is Mindy Garcia.
Today, we will be learning solving addition problems with two-digit numbers using strategies involving breaking numbers apart by place or adding one number in parts.
So we're going to go ahead and start this lesson with explaining what a base 10 is. Right here we have what are called counting blocks, and this is a single block, so the value is equal to 1. Over here we have a stick made of 10 of these 1 cubes, of the single cubes, so that equals to 10. We're going to be using these for to add double digits, and so we want to go ahead and explain what the signs are.
Okay, so this is an addition symbol, and it can also be summed, joined, because you're joining two numbers or combining two numbers. And this is an equal sign, which just means equals or total.
So we're going to go ahead and start up with a couple of examples so y'all can get the gist of it. If we write a number like, go ahead and make one up.
Okay, let's do 27.
How would you make different ways of, with the counting blocks to make the number 27?
Thank you.
So
Okay.
the way Amanda did it was she did 2 of the 10 sticks and 7 of the value 1 cube, which equals to 27. If we do another number like 31, we can do the way I did it was I used 3 of the 10 sticks, of the value 10 sticks, and 1 cube. And that equals to 31. And now what we can do is we can add or combine the two numbers of 27 and 31 by combining first the sticks, which equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Okay,
you go ahead.
Let me use your color for yours.
So you go ahead and you write the 5 sticks, that value in 10. And the ones, we can go ahead and count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the 1.
Okay.
So now,
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 tens, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you put them together, so it'll be 58 would be your total. And that's because you have 10, so it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 58.
and the 5 goes in the 10's value place, and the 8's go into the 1's place, because that's what it's symbolized.
And that's two place values.
We can go ahead and do another example. We can draw out the blocks first and then the number.
Okay.
So, go ahead and do whatever number, put the blocks first.
Okay. The blocks first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you put it in right there.
Hopefully you'll be a better drawer than Ashley.
Okay, so let's count what Amanda drew out. Go ahead.
Okay, this is, we have 3 tens, and then we have 2 singles. So it'd come out to 10, 20, 30, 31, 32 total.
And over here, I drew out 4 of the 10s and 3 of the singles. So then it would equal to 43. Now we can go ahead and combine these two again and show how to add the 2-digit numbers. So over here, Amanda has 3. So we can go ahead and do the 3. Do you want to?
Yeah, draw them in green.
And then we're going to also add in my numbers, and I had 4 of the sticks. And then we'll go ahead and move to the singles, and Amanda has 2. And we're adding the 3 that I wrote out. So in total, we're adding Amanda's number, which is 32, and my number, which is 43. And in total, it is, how many 10s do we have?
Okay, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's a total of 7.
Plus the ones that we have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 75.
And that would be 32 plus 43 would equal 75.
Now we can go ahead and move on to, do you want to do the activity?
Yes. So what we're going to show you is something that you can get used to using the building blocks in your, when you're working with math problems in double digits.
You can use different manipulatives that you have available. So it's showing the x equals sign, and the x is representing how many blocks you should put in onto the paper. So here's the 10 blocks that we were talking about earlier, and these are the single ones. So it's asking for 24 blocks. So this equals, these two 10s equal to 20. How many more do we need? Good job.
Thank you.
Let's do another one.
Okay, so now we're going to be doing 31. Oh, I could just keep that one there.
What Amanda did was she added a 10 block to make 30. And then she has to also subtract from it to make 1. So now it's 31. So this activity is also for addition and subtraction because you're taking off the blocks from it.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so we've learned about the base 10 blocks. So now we can use numbers to add or combine. So we can use the number 15 and add it to, want to pick a number?
20.
Okay, let's do 20. So we have a 5 and a 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, and then we go to this value. So 2 plus 1 would equal 3. And what we're doing is we go through each place value and just add them just in a row, just like that. So let's do a little harder one. Let's do 37 plus 55. Okay, so we have 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 would equal
12.
Okay, so what you're going to do here, since it's 12, you're going to add a 1, and you can put it in a little block so you don't get confused, and you're going to put the 2 here. Okay? So we know that it's 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8, and you're going to add the 1 also. So it's going to be 9. 92. So it just depends what you like to do better. If you're a visual person, you can draw it out. Or if you just want to add it out, if you want to add it out like this, you can also do that. So let's do a couple more. Here. Okay, let's do, any numbers you?
10.
Okay, let's do a bigger number at the bottom. Let's do
70.
70.
3.
73. Okay. So again, we have a 0. So 3 plus 0 would be 3. And 7 plus 1 would be 8.
These are just different strategies that you can use to use addition with double digits. Whatever's easier for you, you might want to start off with the counting blocks and then move on to just the whole numbers. But these are just different strategies that we wanted to show you guys. And hopefully y'all have fun learning. And we had a great time teaching you all how to add. So thank you.
Thank you.
Bye guys, have a good day.